Hey everyone, welcome to Laratips. It's been a long time that I haven't uploaded any videos. It's because I had to do some other works. But now I hope I'll be able to make some videos. In today's video, I'm showing you a new feature that has been released in the latest Laravel version 10.47.0. So here I am running this user get, and you can see here this query is being run and I'm getting a bunch of users. And here you can see Laratips, and here also in about section also Laratips like this. So now let's say we want to sort the users. So let's say here we are doing where type, and let's say any of the name emails are about have this Laratips text, then we'll show that user. Okay, so here if I run it, then you can see I am running this query. So here type is normal, and here inside the end we have three OR statements like this. And if we see here, we have name, the Laratips in the name and Laratips in the about. So because of that, it is coming and all the other results are excluded. We are only getting one result over here. So before we had to do it like this. Now there is a new method added to the Laravel, which is whereAny, and it will look like this. So here we'll say whereAny name, email or about, and like Laratips like this. So instead of doing like this 3 times, we can just do it 1 time. So if I run it, then you can see here the query is same and the result is as we expect. And there is also one more thing that has been added, which is this whereAll. So you can see here in the query here we have or, but if we use whereAll, then it will add and over here. So let's say I want to get the users that have the type as normal, and they must have Laratips in the name as well as in the about section. So let me run it. Then you can see here I'm getting the results, and here it is changed to and instead of or. Isn't it awesome? And if you feel this is a very nice to have feature in Laravel, then give a huge thumbs up. And thank you for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye.